So my method for using an iPad and a kneeboard for VFR flying is to, instead of having a separate kneeboard for each, is to combine it to just one kneeboard. I do this with a simple piece of polycarbonate, which I got, and all I did was cut out 2 holes in the side in a shape about the size of an iPad, and I stuck some Velcro on it, and then I thread it through the map strap of the Flyboys kneeboard. Once you thread it through, you just simply thread it through over the back and through the other hole, and it Velcros on. You just have your iPad, and you can put Velcro on the back of the case or on the back of the iPad itself, and you just stick it on. From there, you can put the kneeboard on. You have your iPad with ForeFlight or whatever app you use, which you can use for navigation. And then if you ever need to use, take notes for ATIS, you just simply unflip it, and you can quickly access whatever information you may need to write down. You can also use the back of the cover for notes. I just have some common airport frequencies in my area. You can quickly flip the iPad back and go back to navigating. What's now the system, it does have a bit of movement to it. It moves a little bit side to side. It doesn't really have any movement up or down or in any other direction, but for the most part it is fairly secure, given that it's only attached with one strap. This is a very slim design. It really doesn't have much thickness to it at all, not much more than just with the Notepad by itself. So this is great for VFR flying. If you only need to use your Notepad occasionally and you mainly just simply use your iPad. Overall, I'm pleased with the system. I think it works quite well.